Remove the gray plastic covers on the handhold and unscrew the bolts underneath. Then remove the screw behind the door handle and remove the plastic cover. Unscrew the Phillips head screws that are on either side of the plastic door panel. Use a pry tool to remove the plastic door panel. Carefully remove the door panel from the door and set it down, still supporting the weight of the panel. If you do this carefully, you will not have to remove the window switches from the door panel. If you do not support the panel, you run the risk of damaging the switches or having the panels swing under the door and scar the plastic. Remove the nuts on the bolts that are holding your mirror in place, or in my case, zip ties. My new mirror had new bolts in it, so we threw out the old ones. Line up your new mirror with the bolt holes and put it in place. Screw on and tighten the nuts to support the new mirror. And plug in the electrical connection. Place the door panel back on the door using your palm to smack it in place. Screw in the screws that you removed earlier. Install the door handle cover and plastic covers. You're all done. I want to thank Andrew's Auto Body Excellence for helping me with this project. I highly recommend them if you're ever in an accident. They are smart, dependable, and honest. Thank you, Andrew's Auto Body Excellence.